Hi everyone, welcome to Family Food Fiesta. I'm here with Kids in the Kitchen, and what is your name?
Lilliana.
And Lilliana, how old are you?
5.
Lilliana's 5 years old, and today we're going to make Toasties. Okay, so first we get the bread out of the toaster and put it on the plate, alright? And then we're using almond butter today. So Lilliana, get the almond butter and start to spread it around.
That enough?
Yes, it is. So now that we've made the toasty with the almond butter and the bread, my favorite part is actually using cookie cutters to cut it out. What cookie cutter would you like to use today, Lilliana?
Flour.
Flour, okay. Okay, so now you press it. Perfect, just like that. It's all pressed down. Alright. So now you have...
I'm gonna eat it.
Now you have your flour toast.
Eat it.
Alright. Well, thank you so much for joining us with Family Food Fiesta. We're making flour toasties, and you can too. How do you like it?